Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Mpow wireless Bluetooth headphones. Are they worth purchasing? Stick around and find out. Also, if you wait until the end of the video, you'll see a special bloopers section. As stated before, this is going to be a video review on the Mpow Bluetooth headphones. These can be obtained from Amazon for less than $35. If you're interested in purchasing them, there will be a link provided in the description down below. Now, the good thing about these is they come in 7 different colors, from green, black, pink, silver, black and silver, red, and blue. The other good feature about these is they have a nice space-saving option with them. They fold up, they don't take up much room at all, which is very convenient, and they fit in a pouch as well. You never have to worry about powering these off. They will power themselves off if they are not currently being used. Now, if you forget to charge them or they are not currently charged, you can go with the corded option as well. So basically, you have 2 functions built into one. Another thing that I like about them is the padding is very flexible and it's very comforting on your ears, especially for long periods of time. Another great feature of these, if you use them with your cell phone or your computer, you can raise or lower the volume through the headsets using the controls built into them. You can also use the next or forward track to advance to where you want for your music. And if those features weren't enough, you can use these with your cell phone. They do have noise cancellation, and the microphone on these is absolutely phenomenal when it comes to using these on telephone conversations or with Skype or any other video chatting application. When I received these from Amazon, they came in a heavy-duty cardboard box, not that lightweight paper stuff. And according to the box, the range on these is roughly 33 feet. I've gotten up to 50 feet out of these, and the talk time is 15 to 20 hours. I've gotten a lot more than 20 hours out of them, and it says the charge time is 4 hours. I've actually had the charge time be a lot less than that. Provided you're using a 5-volt 1-amp charger. I've connected this to my computer, and I've decreased the charge time on these. On opening the box, I noticed the headphones were protected with bubble wrap, which means they care about their product. In this box, you have a nice velvet case, so that way you can put your headphones in them if you happen to leave the house or go traveling anywhere. It also comes with an extensive user's manual that will explain everything in detail about these headphones. It also comes with a 5-volt charger, and it also comes with a 3.5 millimeter adapter if you want to use it without using the battery on the Bluetooth headset itself. Now, I'm not going to go over the setup and how to set these up and get them operational. The owner's manual covers that in detail. I will tell you that everything that you do on this unit will give you a voice command or voice prompt, and it will tell you what it's doing, which is a very nice feature to have.
Power on. Pairing. Phone 1 connected. Phone 2 connected.
Overall, I would definitely recommend these, especially if you have 2 PCs in the same room and you're both trying to listen to something separately. I like these too much that I actually bought 2 of these, and they've worked flawlessly from start to finish, and I've never had a bit of problems. I've used them for video conferencing. I've used them to accept phone calls and talk on the phone. They've worked absolutely phenomenal. Again, these can be obtained from Amazon, and you can obtain them for under $35. A link will be provided in the description down below. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to ask. And as always, I ask you to please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the Mpow wireless No. It's still recording. No, I'm going to get it. Hello, What?
Honey, you tell me when you're done, honey. Tell me when you're done.
I will.
Honey, I don't like your hair like that, honey. I don't like your hair like that.
It's fine like this. It's fine.
No,
it's
it's
fine.
not. No, it's
It's
No, it's
fine.
No, it's not. Hold on. No, it's not. Shut the fuck. Shut. No.
It was fine.
No, it's good. No, it's good.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Mpow wireless headphone set. Is it worth it? Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Mpow wireless headphones. Yeah. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a review.